Hi, I'm Gina Campos, and in this video, we'll learn why stocks and bonds are important, not only for business, but also for individuals like us and our community and our nations. So, let's talk about what are stocks and bonds. Stocks represent ownership in our company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, meaning you own a small part of the company. Also, bonds, on the other hand, are like loans. You lend money to a company or the government, and in return, they pay you interest over time. So, what the importance of it for individuals? For individuals, investing in stocks and bonds help grow your money. And instead of just saving, you let your money work for you. For example, if you need invest in a successful company, the value of your shares increases, which means your money is grow too. So for the community, what is the importance for the community? In communities, stocks and bonds help business raises funds to expand. When businesses grow, they create more jobs, provide more services, and help improve the local economy. This means more opportunities and better qualities of life for everyone. So, what is the importance for our nation? For the nations, stocks and bonds strengthen the economy. When companies and the government can raise funds through these instruments, they can build infrastructure, create industries, and attract investors. This leads to national progress and economic stability. So before we end this video, I would like to add our conclusion about stock and bonds. So, stock and bonds are powerful financial tools. They help individuals build wealth, communities create opportunities, and the nation achieve growth. Remember, investing wisely today means a strong future for everyone. So, this is Gia Campos. Thank you for watching.